Hey everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the recipe for Pommes Souffles. So what are Pommes Souffles? Pommes Souffles are these potato chips that once you fry them, they puff up and look like little pillows. There are basically two different methods to make them. One is where they're fried twice at a lower temperature, oil first and then a higher temperature, and they puff up on the second fry. But the method that I'm going to be showing you guys today, we're going to be using 2 layers of potatoes, and they're only going to be fried once and puff up right away. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. We'll need 1 large russet potato, 1 egg, potato or cornstarch, and vegetable oil for frying. Start by slicing the potato with a mandolin. The slices should be as thin as possible. Try not to go over 1 millimeter. The thinner the slices, the faster the chips will puff up. Lay the slices over paper towel and tap them dry. Separate the egg. We'll only be using the egg white. Arrange matching slices. Flip the second slice so they can match later. Dust half of the slices with the potato or cornstarch and brush off any excess, making sure that the whole surface is covered. Then, brush the second half of the slices with the egg white. Again, make sure the whole surface is coated. Combine the slices and press them down lightly. Then cut up circles using a round cutter. You can also cut up squares or different shapes with a knife if you wish. Heat up the oil to 300 Fahrenheit 150 Celsius and add a potato circle and start basting it. It should puff up right away. Keep basting and flip it until nice and golden. Remove it from the oil and drain it on paper towel. You can also sprinkle it with some salt. The thinner the potato slices were to start, the faster they will crisp up and hold their shape. That is it, guys. Perfect Pommes Souffles little pillows. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.